I wasn't planning on filming today, but a quick trip to the post office changed my plans. If you want to know why, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I am super excited today because I picked up a package I was expecting at the post office and then was reminded that somebody told me something else was coming my way. And it surprised me. Even though I had heard something was coming, it still surprised me. And it's just delightful. And of course, I have to take care of this little package first, and then I have a box that I was also picking up from the post office. And so I thought it was two things that I was expecting, and one of them I was expecting, and another one it was like, oh yeah, that was coming. Anyway, I'm being cryptic. What it is some viewer mail that all I did was I opened it up to realize what it was, and then I stopped. And I figured I would do that on camera with you instead. So I have one delivery product and then a viewer mail. So let's get into the viewer mail first, because out of the two, that is far more important. As I feel like we're starting to have a little community here, and I think it's nice to share with everyone interactions that I have with everyone, whether it's in the comments, whether it's through video or through the mail. So this is officially the second package I get from someone in our community around this channel, and it warms my heart. The comments warm my heart, especially when we can make some exchange of something a little personal. That's nice, and then it feels kind of personal. Well, it is personal to get something through the mail as well. So I thank Jay in advance for this little package. So there's a little card. And I hope I'm not sharing something here out of turn. It's what it says, it's just a little something from her to me for appreciation for the content on the channel, and the projects that we do here are helpful. So that is super. Thank you, Jay. I really, really appreciate it. I will keep your first name out of this video just in case. Thank you very much from Calgary, Alberta. Super. Now, it was very thoughtful to put a piece of cardboard. Makes me think of a Pat McGrath box. I'm just saying. The piece of cardboard, that is. And then it's nicely packaged, and I'm very curious. I have not looked to see what is in here at all. I figured I would leave it a surprise. This really looks like Pat McGrath box stuff. Did you get a palette or lipsticks or something, Jay? Let me know. I would love to know. All right, so I'm opening this up. Does Lise Wattier do this kind of packaging, the black packaging? I don't know. I always pick up the stuff from Lise Wattier from Shoppers Drug Mart, so I don't know. So there is a little something here, Lise Wattier, and it is North Star. Oh, you told me about this. You told me about this. North Star, and it is... What is it? Does it say? Stardust. It has to be an eyeshadow topper. Let me just do a quick swatch. Oh yeah, this has to be an eyeshadow topper. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. I vaguely remember her talking to me about it. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow, I'm just going to use my finger to see if I can just kind of tap it down to what it might look like on the eye more. That is beautiful. I really, really like it. Yeah, super, super nice. I've tried manipulating it 3 different ways now. That is so nice. Oh boy. I feel like there's enough precision here that it could be over a black liner on the upper lash line. It could definitely be as an eyeshadow. And I bet you I can think of other stuff too. That is beautiful. Les Wattier products are really impressive. Really impressive. The quality is so good on these. I'm wondering where it's made. Oh, and this one is made in Canada. That is cool. That is beautiful. Excellent. Thank you, Jay. Thank you so, so much for this. I really, really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I don't expect anything from anyone. I love the fact that I get comments on videos. I really, really appreciate the engagement. I love the feedback that I get on videos and whatnot. It's really lovely. And now with the community tab that we have, I get to communicate with you on a more, I don't know, community level, as opposed to feeling like we're just talking out in the abyss of YouTube. And this is really heartwarming, and I can guarantee you, Jay, that I will be wearing it in an upcoming video. It's very thoughtful. It's obviously a product that you really, really like, and I can't wait to share in the excitement of it by having tried it on my peepers myself. So again, thank you. Very sweet. And I'm going to put the card right up there. All right. Okay, for everyone else who may be interested in the big box of stuff as well, let's get to it right now. And it is this box right here. Now you may have seen the other Glamlite box. I will put that video right here if you haven't seen it already. And when I ordered the first one, and then within a few weeks, the holiday bundles that I already thought were a pretty decent deal were 20%, no, 30% off on top of the initial discount. And this bundle included 2 palettes that I really want. It just sold me on it because Glamlite has a pretty good reputation from some YouTubers that I really, whose opinion I really respect, including Angelica Nyqvist. So I thought that I would take a look at this bundle as well. There is, first off, a powder brush. Now, I did not get this bundle for the powder brush, but I'm very curious to try it. There were 3 brushes in the other bundle purchase from Glamlite, but they were all eyeshadow brushes. So this is the first, and probably only for a long time, Glamlite brush that I will have. It's cute. Look at the ferrule. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. Look at that. Isn't that neat? And that is the top. Let's see here. I'm just going to feel. Oh, it's so soft. It is so soft. That's awesome. It makes me think of Sigma brushes, actually. And there's a loose hair. Very, very nice. Okay. It's really cute. It's really cute. This might just end up being my blush brush, just because it's already pink. It feels like this should be my blush brush. I might just do that. Okay, well, very, very cute. I will let you know what this brush is like, but right now I just want to play with it. Feels very good. Next up is one of the 2 palettes that is in this set, and there is a 15% off code. And I'll put this away. And here is one of the palettes, and it is all shrink wrapped. Just going to use my pen. There's a little hole here. Should be able to, yeah. I was able to tear a little space in here and get to the box. The gift boxes in the packages are pretty impressive. So there's plastic on the top, and then you can see the donut palette inside. So let's open that. And so it's a lot of plastic though. So it's in plastic here. And it's puffy. I'm not sure how I feel about that. It's puffy. All right, so here's what it looks like. Let's just open it up. I'll take the plastic off because that is quite a bit of glare. So here is the palette. Relatively colorful, a lot of blues. I like all of these, and when I take a look at it, there are 5 mattes in here, and mattes are my preference. So I think that there's quite a bit to play around with, and this is a highlighter. The other one that I opened up in the other unboxing was a blush. So this is kind of nice because there was a blush, now there's a highlighter, and I am definitely going to be all over those purples. This whole side of the palette is definitely what I'm going to focus on, for sure. That's what I'm going to think of when I see this palette, for sure. Okay, well, I'm very excited about it, and I cannot wait to try it out, and I will try it out on camera with you because I think that's just a lot more fun than me trying it without you and then telling you about it. So we will keep it in the donut box and play with it together at some point in the near future. So it's safely back there, and I'm going to go back into the box. And the next thing that we are going to deal with is another highlighter. This is Sugar High, which I figure is a highlighter. And let's take a look at that. It looks like a loose highlighter. Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And there was a cookie highlighter in the last box. Let's open it up. Yeah, and it's kind of a gold color. I won't open it up right now, but I will open it up when I do the look with at least one of the palettes that is in this set. So Sugar High, does it say anything beyond that? No, it doesn't. Okay, so I will let you know how this is, and probably, like I said, on camera. Now this one is the one that I am the most excited about. I did not think that I was going to get it this year at all because it just never came in at a price point that was attractive to me. But it has, and so it's here now. And I ordered this late December. That's when the holiday bundles came on for 30% off beyond the original discount of having a group of products. And so it comes in kind of a display. Let's figure this out together. Okay, so it has a kind of a magnetized closing. And then inside is the cake palette. And on the back, it shows the colors and the names for the palette. What did the donut one look like? I don't remember it having anything on the back. Yeah, this one doesn't have the images on the back, just some writing. Okay, all right, so we're going to open this up and get the palette out. And it's helpful, there's a hole on the top corner here to be able to get the palette out easily. This is all really, really cute. It makes unboxing and unboxing each time you do your eyeshadow kind of an experience, which I kind of like. So this is almost makes me think of a children's book with the thick cardboard. And there's plastic. And here are all these, oh, and it flips back. That's fantastic. There's a mirror and it flips back. That is a beautiful color story. And I am a sucker for purples and lime green. So my heart is very happy, and a close third are yellows. I'm very, very big on those. Let's just take a look. This whole middle row, I am going to love. I have green eyes, And this is extremely complementary to Green Eyes, big time. So I'm going to really enjoy that row. And let's see, there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colorful mats. 12 colorful mats out of 20. That is excellent. Okay, I am salivating at the potential for this palette. That is going to be tremendous. I really like lavender and periwinkle. I love deep reds for Green Eyes. Lime green, as I said. Oh, geez. Is there anything in here I don't like? Push comes to shove, these two I would not be as interested in, although that one could look really good as a liner on the lower lash line. So I don't really have any complaints. Now, of course, I haven't swatched anything, and I certainly haven't applied anything, but just in looking at this palette, I feel like I did a good thing. I really feel like I did a good thing. Now, what does it say here? It says the overall weight is 27 grams. And if we take a look again, 20 eyeshadows, that's a lot. That's 2.7 grams. No, that's not right. 27 grams and 20 eyeshadows. Okay, so that's not 2.7, that would be 1.35. That's great. That standard size for an eyeshadow would be about 1 to 1.5 grams. That's right in the middle. Assuming my math is right, I'm pretty happy. That is a good amount. And I don't mind the square pans. I like how organized this is. And the names, now that I'm looking at the names, banana, pineapple, strawberry, lavender, blueberry, guava, peach, cranberry, ube, I'm not sure. Purple frost, carrot, raspberry, red velvet, which is about my favorite cake ever, German chocolate cheesecake, and red velvet. They're virtually tied. If you have to make me choose, I'm going to go with German chocolate cheesecake. But boy, is this one close behind. Birthday cake, icy mist, dulce de leche, nice. Cinnamon chocolate, love chocolate. Oh, and key lime. I do love key lime pie. Oh, yeah, this is awesome. Okay, well, I will stop drooling over this palette. I'm not going to be using it today, but I did want to share this unboxing with you with the absolute best that was up front. I'm going to put this cake back in the oven, and you will see this palette sooner than later on this channel as I start to play with it, to play with this one, to play with the donut you saw as well, and what you saw from Glamlite in the previous video. So yeah, I have to clear a few things off my plate, and then I will be getting back to these products and just to see what all the hype is about. I trust the folks who've been pretty sold on this brand, and I'm looking forward to taking it out for a spin myself. If you have any requests, desired information on these products, let me know. I would love to help you out if I can. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.